Don't download GrowthBar enterprise marketing platform app before watching this. GrowthBar looks simple on the surface, but its enterprise features offer deeper SEO and content tools than most people expect. And the surprising truth is that many teams underestimate how much it can streamline production. GrowthBar combines keyword research, competitive analysis, and writing into one workflow. For example, when you generate an outline, the tool automatically includes headings, subtopics, suggested word counts, internal link ideas, and targeted keywords. This means your writers no longer have to jump between multiple platforms. But most people get one thing wrong: they rely too heavily on generated drafts. GrowthBar produces clear, readable text, but to rank well, you must blend expertise with the output. Think of GrowthBar as a speed booster, not a replacement for your voice. One powerful feature is the competitor analysis dashboard. You can see estimated traffic, ranking keywords, backlink profiles, and content structure of leading competitors. This helps your team identify what's actually working in the market, rather than guessing. The enterprise version also includes collaboration features that help editors assign tasks, track revisions, and maintain consistency across teams. If you manage multiple writers, this alone can save hours each week. You won't believe how useful the content refresh tool can be. It highlights pages losing traction and suggests ways to improve them, including keyword variations, paragraph updates, and new sections. Many brands have revived old posts and seen traffic increase by 20 to 40%. Before downloading GrowthBar, ask yourself, do you want a streamlined content workflow with simple, fast insights? Or do you require complex enterprise-level customization? GrowthBar is ideal for teams focused on speed, clarity, and consistent publishing. If this helped you decide, subscribe before downloading your next marketing tool.